Hello, my lovely viewers. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is about Mohiniyattam makeup for stage performance. In this video, I will provide step-by-step instructions on how to wear stage makeup. I will also be sharing some tips and tricks, so don't miss it out and watch till the end. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do before applying any makeup is to prep your skin. And if you have watched my previous videos on makeup, I have always prepped my skin. Well, it's very essential to clean, moisturize, hydrate and prime your skin before you start applying any products directly on your skin. This will keep your skin safe. And all the products that I have used in this video, I have listed in the description box down below. Here I'm using a DIY primer. This primer has a mixture of a thick moisturizer and aloe vera gel. How to prepare this primer? You can find the details in the description box down below. I'm also applying some primer over my eyelid and under my eye. I have used this primer and it has worked for me. Now for the first layer of foundation, I'm using a pan stick from the brand Kryolan in shade FS28. This is a creamy and oil-based foundation and has a full coverage. This perfectly works for my stage performance. And here I have used a second layer of foundation again and I have packed it well. Now for my eyelid and under eye, I use Dermacolor concealer in the shade D5. And I'm also applying it in other areas of my face like dark spots, my T-zone area, which is my nose and my forehead. And with my finger, I keep dabbing it to make it even. Take your own time in blending your foundation and concealer because your base needs to be good to last it longer. Next, I'm using Dermacolor fixing powder to set my foundation. And to apply, I'm using a damp beauty blender. And I'm just taking a little bit and dabbing it all over my face to even it out. For eyebrows, I always start brushing my eyebrow with an eyebrow brush. Now with an angled brush and eyebrow cake, I will start shaping my eyebrow. Make sure to wet your eyebrow brush a little for a smooth application. I'm drawing a vertical line at the inner edge of the brow and extending it to the outer, and lining the brow above and below end to end. Then I'm using more product to fill in the brow. Eyebrow needs to be darker on the stage to match our bold eyeliner and not to look browless. Well, I have to admit, concealer is the best element that I find the most in my makeup. You can clean up any flaws on your eyebrow or your eyeliner with a concealer, and this will help to give a sharp edge and clean look. Concealer I have used is Dermacolor concealer in the shade D5. To apply the concealer, I have used an eyeliner brush. And to blend your concealer well, you can use any flat brush or beauty blender. Next, for my eyes, today I'm going to try the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette by Morphe. And I have to tell you, I'm in awe with this eyeshadow palette. Firstly, the palette has amazing colors and the shadows are super pigmented and blends perfectly well. Here I'm using a brown color from the palette as a transition shade. Now, a very nice trick that I follow before my eyeshadow is to use a sticky tape or duct tape. You just angle it little bit under your eyes to slightly above your ear. Now I'm taking a dark brick color eyeshadow from the palette, and with a blending brush, I'm blending the shadow on top of the transition color, and I keep blending until I get the perfect depth I needed. Next, I'm taking a shimmer brick eyeshadow color from the same palette, and with a flat brush, I'm applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid and just keep blending it. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow and with a pencil eyeshadow brush, and use the shadow in the outer corner of my eyelid and then connect the wing to the crease of the eye and blend everything in well. This will help to define the crease a lot more and gives a nice dramatic look on stage. By creating these huge eyes, it really draws all the attention to your eyes while you're on stage. Now with the blending brush, blend everything well. Next I'm using a shimmer eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm applying it under my eyebrows and also around the inner corner of my eyes. And now is the time to get rid of those tapes, and you can see some nice clean edges, isn't it? And now you all know why this trick has always worked for me. With the beauty blender you can just get rid of those patches. And ta-da! We are done with our eyeshadow. Let's move on to our next step, which is eyeliner. Here I'm using Lakme eyeliner and an eyeliner brush. I always start my eyeliner from the outer corner of my eyelid and move towards the inner corner. I also start drawing from the inner corner of my eyes towards my nose. You can choose how far you need to draw the liner to make it more dramatic. I first outline my eyes with the eyeliner brush to get the perfect shape. Well, this is one of the techniques I follow to draw my dramatic eyes. You can use this technique if you want to, and you can extend your eyeliner as per your choice. Next, what I like to do is to load up the brush with a gel eyeliner and fill in the gap between the eye below the lash line, and keep adding black eye gel to give a deep dark defined look. And I have used Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner. Well, you can use any eyeliner of your choice. I also use a pencil eyeliner to fill in my waterline and pack it. As I mentioned earlier, you can clean up any flaws on your eyeliner with a concealer, and this will help to give a sharp edge. Now I'm using a flat brush to blend my concealer. Following that, I'm also using a beauty blender to even it out well. Now I'm blow drying my eyelash curler mildly warm to curl my eyelash. And don't burn your lashes, just you have to keep it mildly warm. And now I'm using a Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to finish my eye makeup. Next step is to contour. Contouring will give more deep and dimension to our features. I'm using a bronzer to contour my face. I'm also using it along the sides of my nose to give a slim look to add more dimension. Now I'm using blusher onto the apples of my cheeks and extending upwards to the temple region. I also like to highlight the areas that would be bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, and above my temples of my eyebrows. Next, I'm using a lip liner to outline my lips before I apply my lipstick. And here I'm using Miss Claire red lipstick and pack the entire top and bottom lips completely. Next, I'm cleaning up the edges of my lips with a concealer.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
And with a beauty blender, just keep dabbing all your concealer well. And here we come to the end of our makeup video. Let me show you the final look. Well, this is how I do my classical makeup, especially for stage performance. I know this video was quite lengthy. I'm sorry, but this is the procedure. It takes time to get ready to go on the stage. Usually I take approximately 2 hours to get ready for my stage performance when it comes to Mohiniyattam or Bharatanatyam dance. 2 hours, yes, it takes. Not because I always look for perfection, but it's all about doing the right thing. There are a lot of variations when it comes to your eyes. I use mostly maroon or red color, which will match my lipstick as well. And because my costume has maroon and white in that, I always do my makeup according to my costume color. But you have all the options. You can play with the colors, whichever color that you like for your eyes and for your lips. You can just go on and try it out. It's all about experimenting. It's all about trying new things. So I like to do that. As I said, I'm not an expert and I'm not a makeup artist. All that I have been doing and learning is only through the dancing field that I have been. So this is just a small makeup routine that always helped for me. Now you all know how I do my classical makeup, especially Mohiniyattam makeup for my stage performance. I hope this technique would be useful to many out there, and this is just the way I prepare my makeup routine for classical dance performance, whether it is Bharatanatyam, whether it is Mohiniyattam or Kuchipudi. This is how my stage makeup preparation is all about. If you enjoyed this video and if this video was interesting and useful for you, please give it a thumbs up and do share this video to all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please go and watch my Onam special dance cover. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Happy Onam to everyone.